How to recover a hacked Facebook account. So in order to recover them, you need to head over and then make sure that you actually remember the email or any phone number that you use for the account. So click on this forgot password. Then we need to find your account. So just head over and then put in here your email. Now, as you can see, it will choose your account. So click on your account you want. Now, if it's hacked, there's a good possibility that the password has been changed. Now, what you can do in that case in order to be logged in is to make sure that your device has been recognized as an actual device that is eligible for that particular part. So what you can do is to make sure that your device is remembered by Facebook itself. And alternatively, once you're logged in, click on the three line, click on this gear icon, click on your Meta Account Center, and click on this password and security. Now, what you can do is you can check where you logged in and log out any devices that you don't recognize. After that, click on the change password and then choose your Facebook and then change your password and make sure to also log out other devices. So that's how you recover a hacked Facebook account. Hope we helped.